Hello, my name is Carla Fredericks, and I am a pediatrician at Texas Children's Hospital. However, I work not only with helping children access healthcare, but families in general. And I would like to share with you today a resource that both adults and children can use to access the medical care that they need. There are many health clinics throughout the Houston area that accept patients without insurance. These special clinics all have a discount program, also known as a sliding scale, that changes based on how much money a family makes. In addition to providing discounts, all of these clinics accept everyone, regardless of immigration status. What this means is that you do not have to be a United States citizen to be able to receive care there. Also, it is important to know that receiving care at these clinics does not affect a person's ability to become a citizen of the United States in the future. So how does one find these clinics? There is a list available at this website. If you see here, it's the Texas Children's Hospital Program for Immigrant and Refugee Child Health. If you go to this website, you will see this screen and you can look at the list of clinical resources and see that the third resource is the Greater Houston Low Cost Clinic list. You will click on this and be taken to a different screen that has a very long list of different clinics. I will briefly show you the clinics and then we will go back and talk about the details. The first page shows clinics that are primarily on the west side of Houston with a list as well as a map. If you continue, you can see that there is another page for the clinics that are primarily on the east side of Houston with a map for that as well. You will also note that each map has a QR code that can be scanned to utilize on your phone. Going back to the list, some helpful tips for finding the best clinic for you are as follows. Number one, first think about whether you are looking for a clinic for a child or for an adult. Each list is divided into two sections, children, and the second section is both children and adults. In addition, the clinic list for the west side has a third section for adults only, but you can see that that is not present in the clinics on the east side. The second thing that you want to look for is a zip code that is the same or close to where the patient lives. This will make transportation easier for the patient and help ensure that they are able to make their appointments. The zip codes are listed under the address and can be easily scanned by looking through and finding one that matches the zip code of the person who is looking for the clinic or a zip code that is nearby. Another way to find a clinic that would be convenient would be to use the map. Looking at the map, you can see where the clinics are located and find one that is in your area of Houston. Going back up, you can see the map for the west side as well, which is a bit more spread out. You can then look at the number, go back to the list and find the one, let's say number 15, Hope Clinic West, if that is closest to the person who is looking for a clinic. They would then call the number listed here to ask about the specific policies for the clinic. It is recommended that when a person calls the clinic, they ask about how to apply for the discount program that all of these clinics offer. They should ask what documents are needed to be eligible for the discount program and how to schedule an appointment. Remember, there are health clinics available for everyone, even those who have no health insurance or are not United States citizens. So please utilize this list to help everybody get the health care that they need and share it with those who might find it helpful. Thank you.